Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google AI Studio and signing in. Make sure your account has image generation access. Next, create a new project and name it so you can find it later. Set canvas size, try 1024 by 1024 for balanced detail, and pick an initial model preset or blank canvas. Once done, adjust seed and randomness controls to influence variation. These parameters determine how deterministic or creative outputs will be, so set them before you generate your first draft. Now you craft the prompt. State the subject, style, lighting, and mood. Be specific so the model understands what to prioritize. Use negative prompts to filter out artifacts or unwanted objects. That helps reduce iterations. Then, fine-tune control sliders. Creativity increases variation. Iterations improve fidelity. If available, enable high-resolution fix to sharpen details. Also, consider using reference images for guidance. They anchor the generator to visual features you want preserved. Finish by reviewing multiple generations and selecting the strongest candidate. Once chosen, use in-painting or local edits to fix small issues like facial details or backgrounds. Export your final image as PNG or WEP and save the prompt in settings so you can reproduce results later. If things go wrong, images off-target or noisy, lower the creativity slider, simplify the prompt to core descriptors, or reset the model seed. That commonly resolves stability problems and yields consistent improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.